Quito's historical center, the Centro Histórico, is the largest colonial center in Latin America. We took our student, Leonardo Naranjo, in a quest for the different meanings of independence.
Hello, my name is Leo and we are live in the middle of the war. Today is the 10th of August and it's the Independence Day here in Ecuador, and we are in the Independence Plaza.
This is the Plaza Grande, or Great Place, in which the seat of the government rests and where our independence took place. A group of citizens made a civil revolt against the Spanish on the 10th of August, 1809. Every 10th of August, people go out to celebrate what we call the first shout for independence. This place is still the location of the continuous struggle for independence and freedom in Ecuador.
Buenas tardes, soy Fernando Escobar, es propietario de la cafetería Dulcería Colonial, a su orden desde 1988. La independencia para mí significa que nos hemos abierto, nos hemos liberado del yugo de los españoles y ahorita estamos viviendo la libertad en el libre albedrío, pero conscientes, no desmesurados, o sea, le tomamos eso a la ligera y lo utilizamos para otros fines.
Right now we are looking at a mural made by a Spaniard in representation and celebration of the 200 years of independence of Ecuador.
The mural, painted by the Spanish artist Okuda San Miguel, was a gift from the Spanish embassy to the municipality of Quito.
Well, it's not only funny but also polemical that there's a Pikachu in the middle of the mural. Well, there are different reactions from the people. On the one hand, there are people that like that and feel represented by it. On the other hand, there are people that have criticized the author of this mural because they think it's a joke against our culture.
How does this mural represent the idea of independence?
Well, this mural represents our culture and different cultures that we can find here in Ecuador. So all the colors and all the pictures and faces in the mural, they represent us as a country, as a free country. No, I don't think we're an independent country. We could have won the war, but independence is a process in which we are currently at.
Ecuador is still struggling for an independence that represents all, its cultures and peoples. The question is, will we ever feel the freedom of independence, or will it be a non-ending fight?